So raise your hand if you've ever done a survey before. And how many of you loved it? That's what we are here to change, except for you. We use surveys for everything. How else would I know that 1 in 5 Brits would like to have sex with a robot? So what's the problem? When we take a survey, 60% of us drop off because it's drop off. Think about that. 60% of us who were willing to take the survey drop off because it's too long, too hard, and too boring. Now that's a lot of lost insights. Now the way to deal with this is usually with some kind of incentive, but no one has a reward engine. You have to rely on third parties, increasing the cost and friction. There's no real connection between the survey and the incentives. And the incentives they offer are some of the worst in terms of impacting your response rate. Because the incentive you offer and how you do it really matters. Another problem is that, well, we don't trust surveys. We have all heard about a survey and thought, this doesn't make any sense. That's because the survey industry is filled with duplicate submissions and fraud that can skew the results because there is no audit trail. So what is the solution? Imagine if you can incentivize your respondents with an instant reward for every question and more for the harder ones. With our method and the addition of leaderboards, we believe we can really boost your response rate. And with our solution, we can remove the pain of managing the rewards, data integrity, and third parties. So clients create surveys, share it, and they buy the rewards. But respondents, they choose the reward because they know what motivates them. Now this can be digital payments, or you can go to a charity such as planting trees. And they would see a tree that grows as you progress in the survey. They would see a leaderboard of how many trees they planted. The reward engine is all about creating a story around every incentive we implement. As I said, the survey industry is huge. We all do it. And you would actually be surprised to know how much of this is still postal, paper, and phone surveys. But the market is transitioning, and the online survey industry is growing at double digits every year. Now, of course, we can start with, when we are starting out, basically everyone uses survey, but we have identified 4 key verticals that we're going to focus on, such as computer software companies and fintech. And we can hit all of their departments because they all rely on feedback to improve their business. Let me start by saying what we're not going to do. We're not going to do a complicated subscription model with hidden fees and penalties, but we are going to monetize the rewards, and we are going to do a pay-as-you-go model, where you buy the responses you need when you need them. And we are doing a SaaS model where you pay for upgrade features. If we look at the competition, we know we are the only one who's building an integral reward engine. And we are the only one who can provide our clients with that data integrity, that audit trail. And we are laser focused on the user experience because it is so essential to the completion rate. Now, we have been in talk with a range of different clients, some with blockchain knowledge and some not. And they all love what we do, and we have several letters of intent. Paying customers ready to go when we launch. So who are we? Combined, we have more than 30 years of experience as business and IT consultants. But more importantly, we have built the business together before. and now we're ready to do it again. That's why we came on this journey to London, to build something bigger. We know how to execute, and we have the skills to develop it all in-house, so you don't have to worry about IP. And we have some great advisors that are helping us out with client acquisitions and overall business strategy. So our ask is 400,000 for 16% equity. And we aim to launch in October. We have come quite far in our development. And as we build out our SaaS model, we expect revenues to grow rapidly. Now, if you want to see our solution in action, you can actually scan the QR code and you can try it out. You can even do it with instant rewards. And if you're tired of boring service, unreliable service, I welcome you to join our journey in disrupting the survey industry. Thank you.